Opening a bank account in Portugal, a complete guide for foreigners. What's up, everyone? If you're moving to Portugal, one of the first things you'll need to do is open a bank account. It might seem complicated, especially if you don't speak Portuguese, but don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can open your bank account in Portugal without stress. We'll talk about the necessary documents, the different types of accounts available, how to choose the right bank for you, and much more. Not having a bank account in Portugal can be a big problem, making it difficult to pay bills, receive your salary, and even rent an apartment. So, if you're ready to open your bank account and start your new life in Portugal, keep watching. You might be asking yourself, do I really need a bank account in Portugal? Can't I just use my international credit card? The short answer is technically yes, you can use your international card for a while, but it will be much more expensive in the long run. International transaction and currency conversion fees can add up quickly, and you'll miss out on the benefits of having a local account. Having a Portuguese bank account makes your life much easier. You'll be able to receive your salary locally, pay bills without exorbitant fees, set up automatic payments, build your credit history in Portugal, and much more. Also, many services, like cell phone and internet plans, require a Portuguese bank account. Now that you understand the importance of having a bank account in Portugal, let's talk about what you need to open yours. The good news is that the process is relatively simple, and the required documents are basically the same for most banks. Generally, you'll need your valid passport, Portuguese tax identification number, NIF, proof of address in Portugal, a utility bill or rental contract are usually sufficient, and in some cases, proof of employment or income source. It's always a good idea to check with the specific bank for the exact requirements, as they may vary slightly. Chapter 3. Opening your bank account. Step by step. You can open your bank account in two ways, in person at a branch or online. Opening an account in person has the advantage of allowing you to talk to a bank employee, clarify any questions you may have, and receive your debit card immediately in some cases. The process usually involves scheduling an appointment with the bank, bringing all the necessary documents, and filling out an application form. The bank employee will guide you through the entire process. Chapter 4. Online alternatives. The digital revolution. If you prefer convenience or don't have time to go to a bank branch, opening an account online might be the best option for you. Many banks in Portugal offer the option to open an account entirely online, right from the comfort of your home. The process is usually simple and intuitive, requiring you to fill out an online form, submit digital scans of your documents, and verify your identity via video conference. Chapter 5. Finding the ideal bank for you. With so many options available, choosing the right bank can seem complicated. But don't worry, I'll give you some tips to make your decision easier. First, think about your needs. Do you need a bank with a wide network of branches? Or do you prefer a fully online bank with advanced digital services? Next, compare the fees and charges charged by each bank, such as account maintenance fees, international transfer fees, and ATM withdrawal fees. Some banks offer special accounts for foreigners or non-residents with exclusive benefits. Outro. Conclusion. That's it, everyone. I hope this video has helped you better understand how to open a bank account in Portugal. Remember, having a local bank account will make your life in Portugal much easier, so be sure to open yours as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and advice on living in Portugal. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time.